Hi, welcome to the diaphragmatic breathing exercise. The diaphragm is the most efficient muscle of breathing. It is a large, dome-shaped muscle located just below the lungs. And when we breathe, the abdominal muscle will push the diaphragm and help us to empty the lungs. So let's begin by coming to a comfortable sitting position. Relaxing your neck and your shoulder. Place one hand on your chest and one hand just below your rib cage. And we're going to breathe in as you feel your belly rising against your hand. And your hands on the chest should stay as still as possible. And then exhaling, the belly is going to fall back to center. So let's do that in 4 count. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to stay there for 1, 2. And as we exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do that again. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it for 2, 1, 2. And exhale for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you may do as many sets as you wish. Next, we are moving into the progressive muscle relaxation exercise. This can be done anytime during the day when you feel stressed or tense, or in the evening before going to bed. So let's come to a lying down position. As you are lying down on your back, you may choose to bend your knees to ease any tension on your lower back. Otherwise, you can choose to have them stretched out. So find yourself a quiet place, off the phone if you need to, and dim the lights. For this is a moment for you, a time for your relaxation. So let's just take one deep inhalation. You may choose to put one hand on your belly, so the belly will rise. Inhale through your nose, and then you exhale very gently and slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension. And again, inhaling slowly and deeply through the nose as the belly rises. And then exhaling slowly through the mouth, melting away any tension and stress. And one last one, deep inhalation, all the way down to the belly. And exhaling very slowly and gently through the mouth. Now, take a few moments to allow your breath to come back to its natural rhythm. Your arms long by your side, hanging loosely. During this progressive muscle relaxation exercise, I'll be asking you to tense various muscles throughout the body. Please do so without straining yourself. Just gently contract the muscle with each inhalation and then exhale to let go and relax. So let's begin by bringing your attention to your feet and your toes. So as we inhale, curl your toes under and tense the muscle at the sole of the feet. And as you exhale, relax and letting go. Again, we're going to inhale, curl your toes under, and feel the stretch and tension on the sole of the feet. Hold your breath there for a moment, and then exhaling to let go. So notice the difference when your feet are tense and as you release the tension. So with each inhalation and exhalation, we're going to go deeper into a relaxation mode, releasing all tension. And next, bring your attention to the calf muscles. As we inhale, we're going to flex the feet and feel the calf muscles pressing against the mat. Hold your breath here for a few moments. And as we exhale, we're going to release. Again, inhale to press the calf muscle onto the mat, feeling the tension. And then exhaling to let go and release. Next, bring your attention to your thighs muscles, straightening your legs. So inhale to straighten and tighten the muscle on the thigh. Feeling your muscle pulling your kneecap upwards. And as you exhale, letting go and release. Let's do that one more time. Inhale to tense by straightening your leg. Hold there for a moment. And then exhaling and relaxing, letting everything go. You feel the flow of the blood to the muscle. A nice tingling sensation. And we're going to move upwards. So in your next inhalation, we're going to tighten the muscles on the buttocks. Bring the buttocks together. Hold it there for a moment. And as you exhale, releasing the muscles, letting go of any tension. And again, inhale to tighten the buttocks muscles together. And exhale, releasing, letting go of all tension. Next, we're going to tense the muscles in the entire leg. So take a deep breath in as you curl your toes under. Tense the sole of the feet, the calf muscles, the thigh, and the buttocks, or any way that feels natural and comfortable for you. Holding there for a moment, and then exhale, releasing and letting go. Next, bring your attention to your stomach. As we breathe in, bring your belly button in towards the spine, contracting your muscles. And as you exhale, letting go, releasing of all tension. And again, inhaling, contracting the abdominal muscles. And exhale to release. If you feel a strain on your lower back, you may choose to bend your knees. Now bring your awareness to your back. As we inhale to tense the muscle on the back by arching your lower back and then pressing the upper back and the back of the head onto the mat. Holding there for a moment. And exhale and letting go. allowing the back muscles to release. And again, inhale to tense the back muscles, arching the lower back, pressing the upper back and the back of the neck onto the mat. And exhaling, releasing, allowing the muscles to let go, coming into a deeper relaxation state. Next, we are going to tense the muscles on the shoulders and around the neck. So in your next inhalation, bring the shoulders up towards the ear. And as you exhale, letting go, releasing. Let's do that one more time. As we inhale, bring the shoulders up towards the ear. And as you exhale, letting go, releasing all tension. Staying here for a few moments. Feeling yourself getting heavier and heavier as you get into a deeper relaxation. Now we're going to release all tension on the arms and hands. We're going to begin with the upper arm. So in our next inhalation, we're going to bend our elbow and tighten the muscles on the forearms, your bicep. Hold it there for a moment. And exhale to let go. Feeling the blood flowing, warm sensation. Again, inhale to bend, flexing the muscles on the bicep. Hold it there for a moment. And exhale to release. We are moving down to the forearm. To do that, in the next inhalation, you're going to bring your fingers inwards as though they are going to reach for the inside of the elbow. Hold there for a moment. And as we exhale, releasing the fingers. Again, inhale to bend the fingers. Exhale to release. Last, we're going to clench our fist, holding it tight as we inhale. Hold it there for a moment, and as we exhale, letting go. Again, inhale to squeeze, clench your fist. Exhale to let go. By now, your arms and hands should be feeling heavy and relaxed. Stay here for a few breaths. And next, we are going to tighten and relax the muscles on the face. Let's do so by squeezing your eyes together. And then clench your lips. And relax. Again, scrunch your whole face, eyes squeezing, lips together. Exhale to relax and letting go. Feel the muscles on your face softening as you relax. And now bring your awareness to the muscles around the jaw.
We're going to inhale and open the jaw and feel the stretch around the jaw muscles. So inhaling. And exhaling to gently close. We're going to open the mouth, open the jaw, one deep inhalation. Exhale to gently close. Now bring your awareness to the jaw. As we inhale, one deep inhalation, we're going to open up the jaw, open up the mouth wide, and feel the stretch around the jaw muscle. So inhale. Exhale to gently close your mouth. Let's do that one more time. Inhale to open. Exhale to gently close.
Now you should be feeling relaxed from the tip of your toes to the top of your head. We're going to stay here for a few moments, enjoying the breath, enjoying the sensation of deep relaxation. If you have the time, you may fall asleep and you will wake up feeling rejuvenated and relaxed.